We're out here in Joshua Tree, California, as folks are turning dino juice into smiles on quads, and we're thinking the same thing with quads. In fact, we're answering a big question, which is HD LR4S, quad or hex?
This time on Hack 5.
You ready to send it?
Yep.
All right. 3, 2, 1, take off. Whoa! That is a lot more power than I was expecting.
Yeah, I didn't go full throttle, so.
I went like a quarter throttle and it just jumped. This is gonna be the episode that sounds like a bunch of angry bees. I mean, technically there's like 10 bees at like, what RPM again?
3,000 RPM motors, I think.
All right.
So, you know, 14 volts.
They're essentially the same equipment,
I see.
you know, as far as the power system, you know, is concerned.
Yeah.
Same battery packs, same motors, same flight controller, same
Cameras,
video transmission.
video transmitters, radios, receivers.
Yep.
The only thing different is you have 2 more motors and 2 more arms.
Well.
And your props are in your view, but.
Yeah, I gotta say, seeing the props in view, on the one hand, I just got a glimpse of you.
Yeah, I was chasing you, and I'm just.
On the one hand, it's kind of like, it's nice, it's reassuring. You know you're I was gonna say quad, you know you're a hex. But on the other hand, I definitely wouldn't use this for anything cinematic unless I was carrying an action camera.
I got macro blocking.
Yeah, I'm getting macro blocking on the fringes, which is what this DJI HD system does. It's kind of nice. I'm down to about 11 megabits of video feed, but I mean, I don't know, I think it's still usable. I realized that before taking off, I didn't configure mine for 16:9, so that's an easy way to tell. If you couldn't tell by the fact that Darren's Hexa has 2 propellers in front of its view, also it's 4x3. Going a little old school here.
There's someone ripping it up off to our human right side. You can see the giant rooster tail over here, if you needed further confirmation on the direction.
You get up high and it feels like you're going so slow.
Yeah,
and
but
as you dive,
like
you realize
60.
that you're, yeah.
These are only 2 blade props on these guys, not 3 blades. I don't believe they'll have quite as high of static thrust or speed capability as, say, they're also really low pitch, and that's why they're so efficient.
And so this is really a test of the technology to see if you can have all 3 in one. Something that will go long range, something that will provide you HD video, and on top of all of that, have the potential to stay under that 250 gram sweet spot that doesn't require registration. Now, obviously,
with the 3 amp hour packs, they're a bit up there.
Yeah. And that's another fun thing about what we're flying right now is typically...
Lithium ion.
Yeah, typically use lithium polymer, different chemistry. These are the same cells you would find in an older laptop. The 18650s you would find in older Teslas. And I know, Glytch, haven't you used a ton of these before? Even, like, back when people said it was not possible.
Yeah, the V1 of Project Cuckoo used what were called LG-HG2 cells, and they were good for 3 amp hours, just like these. However, they only had a 10 amp peak current, whereas these have a 10 amp continuous current. I believe these are Sony VTC6 cells that are made up in these packs.
Yep, so I just hit 14 volts.
I'm at half throttle. I'm running at about 14.7, 14.8. Now, if I punch it, I will get a good bit of...
Nah, don't punch it. I've been cruising.
Voltage dip.
Just so that it's consistent. I've been kind of maintaining maybe around a half throttle, no more.
Gotcha.
And I'm just chasing these dirt bikers here. On a LiPo, I might be considering actually coming back home now. But considering it's
these are lithium ion,
it has a much different curve as far as its
yeah, they're rated
usage.
for usage down to about 2.9 volts. Now, I'd start coming back at around 3.1 per cell. So about a 12 to 12.5 is your range of when you'd want to be like, okay, I am very low now.
Mm-hmm. Our OSDs are calibrated for, oh, there you go. Our OSDs are calibrated for lithium polymer.
Yeah, and they'll go red at about 13.8, 13.9, and they'll start blinking at us, which is totally wrong for these. You're going slow, though.
I'm still 50% throttle. Oh, 12.0, okay.
Yeah,
that's it. When you see 12.0 for the first time, that's when it's done. I am going to at least get to the landing pad.
Nice.
So Glytch, what's the verdict?
Oh, I got 23:17 on my flight time.
About 19 and a half minutes.
Okay, and you also had props in view.
I mean, I gotta say, either of them are well over the 15-minute mark. You'll get to a point where you're gonna run out of range before you run out of time.
And things to fly around. We were flying yesterday, and I flew for 19 minutes and got bored, so...
Yeah, I mean, both of them are stupid fun, but I will say, if what you're looking for is just to cruise...
Right.
Not having the props in view, I will give it to the LR4 as opposed to the Hexa. The caveat being, in case you're trying to get epic footage, granted it is HD,
right?
You know, in the goggles, but it's like variable bit rate, and you know, if you're looking for something pristine, or even if you're looking to do 360, because it will carry some 360 cams.
It'll carry a lot of weight. If
payload's what you're looking for, and not that kind of payload, then definitely the Hexa.
Is that my cue?
Yeah, that's your cue.
Well, I've been Glytch.
Oh, what? I forgot my name.
I've been Glytch.
I'm Darren.
Glytch out.
Trust the Technolust. Thanks for supporting Hack5. Find all our shows, community, and pentest products at hack5.org.
Bleep. Well, I've been Glytch.
I'm Darren.
This has been Hack5. Well, I've been Glytch.
I'm still Darren.
No, not the giggles. Anything but the giggles.
Okay.
I've been Glytch.
I'm Darren and his hat.
Glytch out.
That doesn't make any sense. Let's try it again.